How to make rock candy sheets quickly and easily. I've been looking for recipes that make things faster. I've had a few other rock candy recipes before this. Today I'm going to share with you another one, how to make rock candy sheets quickly and easily. Making rock candy sheets doesn't take days to complete like the rock candy crystals. There's not much chemistry stuff going on that calls for yet another kitchen science session. But it belongs to the rock candy family, and so far this is my favorite. What is rock candy made of? Most rock candies are basically made of water, sugar, and corn syrup. If you want to add colors and flavors, you can add some flavoring extract and pair it with food coloring. I try to steer clear of corn syrup if I can help it. In this recipe, rock candies can definitely be done without it. So, I'll be using cream of tartar instead. Rock candy sheet recipe. Quick and easy rock candy recipe, without corn syrup. Prep time, 5 minutes, cook time, 10 minutes, resting time, 45 minutes, total time, 1 hour. Ingredients: 2 cups granulated sugar, 2 cups of water, half teaspoon cream. Optional, food coloring, flavoring extract. Instructions. Step 1: line your baking sheet with tin foil and grease with cooking spray. Set. Step 2: prepare the flavor and color combinations for later. In a small bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of flavoring extract plus 2 drops of food coloring. Step 3: in a medium saucepan, combine the sugar, water, and cream of tartar, and boil over medium heat. Stir until all solid particles are dissolved. Step 4: place the candy thermometer, making sure it doesn't touch the bottom of the pan. Wait until the temperature reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 5: remove the pan from the heat and let it sit for about a minute before adding the flavoring and color. Step 6: pour the sugar mixture onto the baking sheet and swirl around to even out the mixture. Step 7: let it rest at room temperature for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Step 8: remove the rock candy from the baking sheet and turn it upside down, so the tin foil is facing up and the candy is at the bottom. Step 9: crack the candy into smaller pieces. Step 10: to prevent the candies from sticking together, shake them in powdered sugar before storing them in an airtight container.